Hey folks. All right, hey folks, we are back with Mentzer Outdoors. And
hey there, hunting family.
Hey folks. Hey gang. All right, hey hunting family. Hey hunting family, what is up? Hey hunting family. All right, folks. Hey, what's up, hunting family?
Hey hunting family, what is up is right. What a year it's been here at Mentzer Outdoors. It's almost the new year, and we want to share some highlights and reflect on our journey. There's been plenty of ups and downs along the way, laughing and smiling through it all. From cold mornings spent in the butcher shop, scouting while shed hunting, and even tanning our own deer hide, we kept busy as winter faded in the spring. As it warmed, we took to the trails. We prepared for the upcoming season with trail cameras, food plots. We casted away, hoping to catch river monsters, chase gobblers from hollow to hollow. We had various fun-filled tasks along the way as we got ready for the fall. When fall came, we got fun busy. Deer hunting season, where it didn't matter what the weather was doing, our patience and preparation paid off. We had a good season, and we created memories that we'll never forget. All in all, it wasn't just about the hunt or the catch. It was about the quiet moments in nature, the laughter, the challenges, and the time spent together with family and friends. As our channel is slowly growing, we'd like to take the time to thank you for all the support. Whether watching, liking, or maybe sharing with a friend. This is more than a channel. It's a community of people who love the outdoors as much as we do. That's why we call it our hunting family. So here's to a year well spent and an even bigger 2025 ahead. Thank you for being a part of our adventure, and enjoy the video.
This is you want soft skin, work on one of these bad boys.
Winter season. Hunting stuff is packed away, and with the new year, we always start with butchering some pork. Many memories and stories are told in the butcher shop, some true, and some of those are very stretched. Why is there ice in the butcher shop?
I showed up bright and early so that there would be a fire going.
And he left the fire go out.
Someone let the fire go out because we were moving too slow on grinding sausage. Oh! After a long day of waiting, finally starting to scrapple. Mixing in the thickening agents. Don't splash while you're stirring.
Late winter tends to be a slow time of the year for outdoor activities. With free time, we found ways to keep busy and sharpen our skill set. We learned how to tan our own deer hides. The cold didn't stop us. We were able to get out with friends, family, our favorite pets, to scavenge the forest floor, looking for that treasure, that being shed hunting. We got out, we explored, we made many memories,
Where the shed's at.
saw some beautiful sunsets, but ultimately more time in the woods and just having a better understanding of those deer. Spring. It's warmer. There's a lot more things to do, such as trout opener. Everybody knows a good day starts with a solid breakfast. We were able to get to our hole, have some sausage and eggs, and just hang out, get warm, catch up on the day before we got our lines wet.
Breakfast of champs. First to the hole, first to victory. Fish on. Couple biting on power bait, couple biting on night crawlers. Come on, put on a show for Daddy.
Fishing was good. The catching was rough.
Fish. Alright, that should work.
Make it look big.
Many hours were spent in the woods, preparing for the season, getting our cameras set, getting a food plot ready. We did some scouting just to have a better layout, understanding of our land, and understand the corridors that these deer come through. Had some good one-liners along the way.
Took a little brain power, but gotta get it hung up in the tree now.
Back to the top. I ain't rich, but I'm free.
Nothing is more relaxing than being out early turkey hunting, listening to nature, the birds, and being one-on-one with the wilderness, and just absorbing that time out in nature. May we spent a lot of time chasing these birds, but we also chased some clay birds, doing some charity clay bird hunting.
Yeah, I'm ready. I think I got everything. You get excited. Your mind goes blank. You almost forgot the shells, but we got them here. We're gonna get ready. All right, we're here. We just got our safety briefing. That's a point. Folks, score update. We got Brock with 5. I got 13. And then we got a tight one. We got Lonnie and Ronnie, the Aunies, both with 17. There you go. 2. How do you feel?
Feel excellent.
We're hitting some clays and we're not hitting some clays. I'm used to them standing still in front of me.
We're breaking stuff. We're getting to shoot the guns. We're having a pretty good time. So
The rest of May was about chasing those birds. We got out on some trails. We had a few respond to us. Saw a few. No action. When you see these trucks, you know you're in trouble. Summer's a great time to get out with your pals and hit a local waterway, catching some bass.
Not much is biting, so we're about to switch. Just got these today at Dunham's.
that's twice today from the same spot. Yeah, two nice bites, but no fish. See if we can do it again. So much fun. Let's do it again.
All right, buddy. That's where you belong. Get it in. Hold it up for your picture. Hold it out far so it looks big. Right towards the camera.
Didn't matter the time of the year. It's best with your bow to get out early and get out often to get as much practice as you can, so when the moment comes, you can let that arrow fly and set yourself up for better success. We did a lot of archery practice, whether at Techno Hunt, or out on a 3D course, or just in our backyards. We got after it.
My adjustments are I gave everybody a head start, a lead on the score, so I better turn it on right now.
We got some work to do tomorrow, but tonight's about just unwinding, relaxing, having some fun.
We're walking down here to see if these are kill shots or...
I'll try to step it up here. No talking in my draw. second shot. He killed it. It's over.
Our summer wasn't all play. We had some work to do. Much needed cabin repairs that are pushed off from year to year. We decided to get it done. We got the gang together, we got the materials, we got some work done. Fall, our favorite time of the year. It's what we train for all summer and all the prep work in the spring for that one moment to chase that elusive whitetail buck and get one on the ground to fill our freezers. We spent a lot of time in the woods during this period and a lot of time with each other. Oh, the joy of deer hunting. We love it. Enjoy our recap.
We got meat in the freezer on the first day. Nothing
Back
to it.
scraps for dinner.
In here, we're gonna try to get in here and kill ourselves a buck. So you got anything to say? I'm freaking ready. We're set up, we're warm. Now it's just time to wait. There is snow on the ground, light dusting. It's pretty chilly in the cabin. It's cold, first day, rifle season. Nice mature doe. As you get older, playing with snow ain't so much fun, but when you get a deer down, it's all worth it. And finally got caught up on a tree. She would have kept on sliding too.
And if you do your season right, your year ends where you started at the beginning of the year, in the butcher shop processing that meat. Well, folks, that's it. Thanks for watching and being part of our story through our 2024. We look forward to an even better 2025, making memories with each other along the way. Through it all, always remember, stay wild.